Hello student, today's question is find the constant a comma b such that the surface is 5x square minus 2yz minus 9x equals to 0 and ax square y plus b z cube equals to 4 cuts orthogonally at point 1 minus 1 2. Okay, so first of all, here we have to find the a comma b such that the two surfaces cuts orthogonally at the same point 1 minus 1 2, right? Okay, so first of all, we need to know that angle between between two surfaces surfaces at point is equals to angle 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 between their normals normals at the point, right? Okay, so we have a formula that suppose phi 1 is the first surface and phi 2 is another surface, then angle between phi 1 and phi 2 at some point is is given by cos theta equals to gradient of phi 1 in dot product with the gradient of phi 2 upon modulus of gradient of phi 1 into modulus of gradient of phi 2, right? Okay, now here given that these two surfaces phi 1 and phi 2 cuts orthogonally at the point 1 minus 1 2, that means theta is equals to the 90 degree, right? Suppose we have substitute here cos 90 degree is equals to gradient of phi 1 dot product with the gradient of phi 2 upon modulus of gradient of phi 1 into modulus of gradient of phi 2. And because cos 90 is 0, so 0 equals to gradient of phi 1 dot gradient of phi 2 upon modulus of gradient of phi 1 into gradient of phi 2. So we can get gradient of phi 1 dot gradient of phi 2 is equals to 0. Okay, mark it as a 1. So this is the result we get when the two surfaces are orthogonal. So just we need to calculate the gradient of phi 1 and gradient of phi 2 and take the dot product so that we will get the A and B, right? Okay, so let us find the gradient of phi 1 and phi 2. So phi 1 surface, phi 1 x, y, z. Okay, what is phi 1 surface here? Look at phi x square minus 2yz, phi x square minus 2yz, phi x square minus 2yz minus 9x is equals to 0, minus 9x equals to 0. So 0 we need to no need to write here. Okay, now gradient of phi 1, as we know that the formula del by del x of phi x square minus 2yz minus 9x I plus del by del y of phi x square minus 2yz minus 9x j plus del by del z of phi x square minus 2yz minus 9x k, right? Okay, So we have to take the partial differentiation with respect to x only. So it is 10x. It is independent of x means 0 minus 9 I plus del by del y. That means we have to take the partial differentiation with respect to y. So 5x square is 0, 9x is 0. That means it is only minus 2z j plus a partial differentiation with respect to z. That means it is 0, and it is minus 2y k. Now we need to find gradient of phi 1 at the point, which point here? 1, minus 1 and 2. 1, minus 1 and 2. So if we put the x ka value is 1, y ka value is minus 1 and z ka value is 2. So it is 10 minus 9 I plus minus 4 because 2 into 2 j plus minus 2 into minus 1 k, right? So it is I minus 4j plus 2k. Okay. Now let us see the gradient of phi 2. So phi 2 x, y, z. So what is phi 2 here? Phi 2 is, what is phi 2? A x square y, a x square y plus bz cube plus bz cube minus 4. Now we need to calculate the gradient of phi 2. So gradient of phi 2 is equals to del by del x of ax square y plus bz cube minus 4i plus del by del y of ax square y plus bz cube minus 4j plus del by del y of ax square y plus bz cube minus 4k, right? So we have to take the partial differentiation with respect to x only. So it is 2axy independent of x is 0. That means it is only r plus it is ax square plus it is independent of y 0. So it is j plus del by del z. Sorry, it is not y, it is z. So with respect to z, that means it is 3bz square k. This is 0 and this is 0. Right? Okay, so this is gradient of phi 2. Now we need to find the gradient of phi 2 at the point 1, minus 1, 2. Right? So x ka value is 1, y ka value is minus 1 and z ka value is 2. So 2a x into y is minus 1 I plus ax square, that means aj plus 3bz square. Z is 4, 2, sorry, z is 2, 2 ka square is 4. So 3b into 4k. So it is minus 2a I plus aj plus 12b k, right? So we got the gradient of phi 1 as I minus 4j plus 2k and gradient of phi 2 minus 2ai plus 4aj plus 12bk, right? So put this in equation number 1. So what is equation number 1 here? Gradient of phi 1 into phi 2 is equals to 0. So gradient of phi 1 iota minus 4j plus 2k dot product with minus 2a I plus aj plus 12b k is equals to 0. So dot product we have to take. So it is minus 2a minus 4a plus 24 is equals to 0 plus 24b is equals to 0. So this implies minus 6a plus 24b is equals to 0. So can I write here minus a plus 4b is equals to 0. Mark it as a 2. Right? We get the equation minus a plus 4b equals to 0. Now look at here, because our two surfaces are given. First surface is 5x square minus 2yz minus 9x equals to 0, and ax square y plus bz cube equals to 4. These two surfaces are given and they cuts orthogonally at point 1, minus 1, 2. So that means this surface ax square y plus bz cube equals to 4 satisfy this point, correct? So that means suppose we put the value of x equals to 1, y is equals to minus 1 and z is equals to 2 in this equation. So we will get the another equation in terms of a and b. So now as surface ax square y ax square y plus bz cube plus bz cube is equals to 4 satisfies at point 1, minus 1 and 2. So a, what is x? 1 ka square into y minus 1 plus b z cube means 2 cube is equals to 4. So it is minus a plus 8b equals to 4. So this is the equation number 3. Now we need to solve equation number 2 and 3 simultaneously so that we will get the a and b ka value. So add or subtract. Now subtract equation 2 from 1, right? So minus a plus 4b is equals to 0 minus a plus 8b equals to 4. We need to subtract. That means it is minus ka plus, minus and minus. So this and this get cancelled. 4b minus 8b, it is minus 4b. It is equals to minus 4. So that means b is equals to 1. So put b is equals to 1 in equation number 2. So minus a plus 4b, that means b ka value is 1 is equals to 0 minus a equals to minus 4. So a equals to 4. So we get the value of a as a 4 and b as a 1 when the two surfaces cut orthogonally at point 1, minus 1 and 2, right? Okay, I hope you understood this. Thank you.